Hello guys, welcome to Arman's Knowledge. Today the tutorial is about the new Windows 10 Insider Preview that is Microsoft released to Dev channel in Windows 10. So let's have a look on this. Microsoft just released the new Windows 10 Insider Preview for all of Windows 10 Insider Previews. That of course includes a lot of new features and a lot of what's new in this build 21354. This build includes the new personalization options for news and interests on the taskbar, and this is all over because of our feedback which we give in the feedback hub. So Windows taskbar will include the new Windows feature, the new taskbar feature, that is the news and interest. And the next update is that my interest, you can see that the news and interest will direct access to the Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you can turn your feed on and your personalization, your interest page. So this is the interest Microsoft taskbar updated. And the next update, that is improvements to display settings, and of course this includes an improved battery performance on PCs with the trade-off this is image quality, and it results in distracting brightness changes that increase in experiences where image quality is of high importance. And the next thing is the Hdr Certification. Of course, this brings the awareness to high quality HDR displays. Like in previous build, Microsoft released the HDR option for all of PCs, so it also includes new features that is in system display under advanced display settings. The next update is the new camera settings page that will be included in the Windows 10 settings, and that will be extremely excited to introduce a new camera settings page that have been working on giving users the ability to add or remove cameras and configure the default image settings of each one. You can see already the preview of that camera's settings. Next update is that Microsoft Camera Front will be in the settings, that you can see the front camera previews, and you can also decrease and increase brightness and contrast. You can also increase the brightness and contrast in their settings. So this was also the next update is in this, that Microsoft also updated the Inbox app updates that MS Pen is now updated to the Microsoft Store, and the new icon includes the MS Pen now. You can download also from Microsoft Store. And the next update is this Microsoft changed the icon of snipping tool that would be present in start menu. So you can see here that this app changed icon. Also Microsoft worked on organizing the Windows tools. The icons changed now from the old one to new one, that is about organizing all admin system tools under Windows tools. And this will includes a lot of changes and improvements like news and interest. The default path of Linux from Windows using the Windows subset for Linux has been changed from improvements and reality. You can see here a lot of improvements and changes included in this build, and a lot of fixes that have been included in this build. And this will be a great build that includes a lot of new features and also improvements and fixes as well. So guys, this was the build that Microsoft released to Windows 10 Dev channel, that includes a lot of new features, improvements and fixes, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you guys for watching the video. Just subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.